So so at that time also, right, at that time also, what you have to become formal, right? And like shoes must be neat and clean, right? Shoes must neat and clean, clothes must neat and clean, right? After then will groom and look neat and clean. Then because by seeing first appearance the people will, judging you. If you going to interview, by seeing your appearance the people will create one mind, oh, let's select it or not. Even if your interview also is going very good, right, very good, but still what the people thinking, oh, still because of that, right? Because I'm taking the interview now, I know that. Because of that I'm saying first priority give always, right? Whoever the employee is there, every month first, every month, right? Buy cloth, buy one formal cloth. And whoever the interviewer, please buy what, buy one good formal dress, which is whenever you will wear na, you will look like what, totally professional. Then and shoes, these things must be, whenever you means totally looking like a professional only, that. And second things, now whenever you will enter, if you are going to interview, right, when before entering the room, right, and whenever the calling interviewer will call, okay, so and so person can come, your interview timing is going to start now, okay. So whenever you have to enter, right, before entering, right, knock the door. Then if anybody say yes, okay, then push the door politely, may I come in, sir? Yeah, yeah. Then the person will say, okay, come in, come in. Then you have to enter in what? Office. Means cabin. Cabin. After entering the cabin, right? Stand beside what? Whatever they will provide you chair. Just stand there. The people, after entering, just say, thank you so much, sir. Like this. After then, what you will do now? Then you have to say, okay, then stand there, don't sit, right, don't sit on the chair without what, interviewer permission. So if he will, okay, sit, okay, thank you so much, sir, and sit on that what, in the fully comfortably, right, don't yeah, hello. Yeah, actually my side network issue is there, because of that it's now I'm audible, guys. Please let me know that and use chat box.
Now is okay, Ravi.
Now previously whatever I spoke, you people was listened, right?
Yes, sir.
No, due to connection issue.
Okay. Now employment, how to wear.
Hello.
Yeah, now employment related, all those things I said that you people listened, right? Those things, na?
Yes, sir. How to wear dress code, how to
Yes.
behave in the
Mm-hmm.
before en-
Yes.
before entering to the interview hall.
Ha. Then fine. Okay. So now let's okay now. So before entering, right? So after then, whatever question they will ask, right? If you know that, then tell. Otherwise, don't make confused, right? To interviewer, because they having the what? They having what real experiences, right? They will catch easily, guys. Okay, now they will catch you easily. Just say that by seeing you know truthness inside. Sometime what happened, interviewer will select you. I'm only doing, right, I'm only doing. And even so many friends are there, I'm asking those friends what first skills, what you are seeing inside that. So my colleagues also, even my seniors and other friends also saying that we are just seeing that how much confident person is there, and if we give pressure he can handle it or not. Okay, after then he can handle it or not. These things we are seeing inside that, and how much he's a genuine person, right? So these three things don't live in life, guys. If see, just now people will not understand what your priority, but whenever the people will leave you, lose you na, that time the people is understand what your these things means priority, right? So well dressed and well grooming need look neat and clean whenever you people will attend what interview. Even as well as if you become employee of the company, you have to wear dresses. Because of that, by dress, by seeing your neat and cleanness on the dresses, dress things, right? Even manager and the boss also giving the respect. Even you have no don't less knowledge also, but if you are wearing the dress, right, neat and clean, and then the people will respect you. The people will think about it, something is there inside him, right? uh, so because of that, these things I applied in my life, right? I applied in my life. And even in my company CEO also giving me respect, guys, right? It's not meaning that I have knowledge also. I have knowledge also, but these things also I am maintaining, because initially I was also like normal, right? So, but when I realized that key, what cloth and shoes also important to everybody every day, what do polish and all those things. Then I started those things and I applied these things in my life, and I became in this position in the short term, right? After, then second priority, if an employee should behave respectfully, right? If you are the professional, you have to behave what respectfully with each and every, courteously toward colleagues, seniors, and what subordinates, right? Whoever there, means what you, if you are there in the senior position, right? it, don't bother about if peon also there, give the respect him, give the respect him. These things, suddenly these things will not work. Whenever they in the company, what's happening in the company after in a 1 year, after 1 year completing, right? The people, every age and everybody, right, giving what feedback about employee. So our senior people asking employee feedback at the time, right? At the time the people is giving feedback, the people will give the feedback, right? And first priority, see, juniority, seniority, is a secondary thing. First, we are the human. Treat each and everyone, don't bother about the person is senior, a poor, or rich, right? If you started in your life giving same priority to each and everybody, right, on that day you are stepping to first success, right? On that day you are stepping the first success. Why guys, um, my life is too much busy, but still why I'm spending time with you people, right? Because in which problem nowadays you people are suffering, I also suffered on that day. Uh, no one is there to give the suggestion, and no one is holding my hand. Because of that, I decided on that day, whenever I will become in the good position, whoever will be there in the company, I will give each and everybody respect, and whoever need, I will hold their hand, right? So, because of that, these things also I applied in my life, and I want to you people also follow these things, right? I want you people also follow these things, because if you follow these things, uh, it's my promise, guys. No one will stop your success, right? See, employment, until unless employment will not there, right? It's not meaning that, think about the law of attraction is there. Ki I am an employer of, right, I am a software engineer. Now then this law will start to work, right? Then this law will start to work. And one more thing, whenever we, start any company work, right? So don't make near about a 6 month good friend in the company, right? Just hi, hello, give the respect, that's it. After then, until unless your provision period is not completed, whenever you will get the offer letter, right? Every company means giving us what, 6 month provision period. In this 6 month provision period, they are observing what, our attitude, our attitude, which kind of our attitude is there, right? And they will see what your dedication, how much you are dedicated about your work, you are passionate or not. Then they will continuing you, okay na? Then they will continuing you in the company. Why I'm saying that? Why I'm saying that? Because provision period means your employment is not clear in this company, means in that company wherever you will work, right? After 6 months, if you complete successfully 6 months, right, then your employment will complete. Then your employment will complete, and then what? Then they will give on that day, what? When 6 months will complete, on that day in a company, right, the HR will tell, okay, your employment is successful today. Now you, you have to work now, like MNC companies there, Infosys is there, right? After then Cognizant is there, these kind of company, 6 months they will give the provision period. In that day, what if you they will take what? Background verification. If background verification is completed now, still your means everything is successful, but still your behavior is not good in the company, they will kick you. They will kick you, right? So be careful, and do like this, okay na? Even an employee should behave respectfully and courteously toward colleagues, seniors, and subordinates, right? So these things I applied, guys, and even each and every member is respecting me. If I'm not feeling any day good, right, and if I'm not going to office, right, so whenever I'm next day, if I'm going to office, right, the people is started to asking what happened, why you not came yesterday. So think about that. Means the people is caring, right? So attitude like this must be, if you are the software engineer, make the attitude like this, okay? So second two things I explained, right? I explained the means. And even one more things I apply, means I observe in the, whenever initially, right, whenever I am a new in the software industry, right, my knowledge is not that much. My knowledge is not that much. So whenever meeting is happening, inside meeting is happening, right, meeting, now I'm a senior person, and a meeting mean near about 1 or 2 years, because when I was started associate software engineer, after then I became software engineer, after then I became senior software engineer, right? So when I became senior software engineer, they provided me one cabin, right? And whenever I'm going to what? Whenever I'm going to our colleagues means means uh, upon our colleagues cabin, right? Our colleagues cabin, whoever under me, whoever working under me, right? So without saying anything, I'm entering their rooms, right? So then I realized that those people is not respecting me. Those people is not respecting me, right? So then I started to apply those things, right? Means in the meeting is going on, between the meeting near about in my team 12 to 15 member is there. If anywhere somewhere someone is what explaining modules wrongly, right, there only I'm saying that no, this is not right. This is a very bad things, guys. This is a very bad things. When I realized that, then I was improve these things, right? So if you are the employee, right, always use the phrases, right? Sorry for interrupting in the meeting, right? Sorry for the interrupting. See this small word, but it will make image about image to you inside what your team, right? So must be follow. An employee should use what? The phrase sorry for the interrupting, or excuse me. And whenever entering or what discussion or entering our colleague cabin, right, colleague cabin, at the time also you have to see what excuse me, sorry, like this word if you use, right, this word is showing that you are the too much respectful person, and you are giving each and everybody what? Respect, right? So please follow this word, guys. These are the experiences things. You people will not found anywhere, right, anywhere in the book. And because of that, my manager and the senior people observe these things about inside me. And within the what 6 years of experience, see, associate software engineer, software engineer, senior software engineer, now software consultant. Four designation I changed within the 6 years. That is not a easiest task. And even in under me near about 20-25 member is working whenever I'm assigning the task, right? And compared to me, they have too much experience. 7 years of experience, they have 8 years of experience, but still what? They are software engineer only. So why I'm sharing with you people, right? Because if you people follow these things, right? If you people follow these things, life is a too much awesome, guys. In the software industry, I know that time problem is there, but by seeing without by seeing face, no one is giving money. They need work also, right? So they need work. See, if you don't know anything, that is not a crime. But after understanding the things, what I have need to become something in the life, again at that time, if you are not learning the things, that is the not a crime, biggest crime in my point of view. Even my sir also saying the same word, guys, right? So life is a too much good, guys. Okay na? Don't think here and there. Everything whatever you have need, right? When you will become a successful person, my promise to you, each and everything will fall down, and based on the places when the time will come. Okay. So why I'm encouraging you people, why I'm explaining my mistake in my life. See, without failure, if you see the success, right, there is no. But if anybody is guiding you, then there's failures, right? I'm not hiding anything my life, whatever things I see. But you know what I can do. No one is there, no one is there to guide me, guys. No one is there to guide me. Because of that, what I did, I learned each and everything with me only. But I can say one person I found in my life. He is a really nice person. His age is 68, means 68 70, I think. And he's having too much good experience about the life as well as the IT industry, as well as he returned from so many different countries also. So he's guiding me every time, like Krishna. And what, in the Bhagavad Gita, right? Krishna is there on another person. What is the name? I forget his name. Arjun. Arjun give Krishna giving every time what Arjun. Susmita. What suggestion, right? So whenever I'm stuck in anywhere in my life, just I'm calling him. He is giving me only. He's giving me time only, right? Mm, because he is handling total branch of one company. Total one branch is handling, because that is that company. I don't want to tell the company name. That company is MNC company, and he's handling, yeah, the total that branch. So but in I appreciate this person, that person, right? Because in this much business time, busy time, he's still, whenever I have need guidelines, right, he's giving me. Because because my open nature, because of my open nature, right? He know that he is helping the others, right? He know that if he will learn from me, right, he will help to others to reach their goal, right? Because of that, I know, just sometime I also know that why is. But see, boss, if I learn the things with my mistake only, my whole life will complete. I can't complete it to learn the good things, right? So I have need to learn someone also, right? So these things is really, really real, guys. Nothing fake is there. Just if you apply in your life, right, your life will become what? Wonderful, wonderful, right? And after then, um, fourth, right? Fourth means fourth fourth one is what? Fourth one is an employee should not talk louder or shout to anyone in the company, right? Even if you are senior, if anybody whoever the shouting, definitely the things will become bad for him, right? So if you are employee, just be polite to everyone in the company. If anything wrong also happening, right, sir, I think this is not good, sir, please, shall we stop these things? Okay, if the person is not stopping, don't shout him, right? Don't shout him, leave it. It's not meaning that so many what if anybody is doing what anything wrong, right? So many what CC cameras are installed in the software company, right? Whenever need, right, our senior people will observe those things, okay na? That will become after ending years. If year will end, right, at that time they will give the feedback, and they will not proceed to next level, what, next level employment, okay? So so these small things is there. The people, if the people will follow and manage it, right, then see the within the employ 1 to 3 years, 1 to 3 years, definitely you have to do hard work, right? After then things will become awesome. Awesome means awesome only, okay? So now after then fifth one, what I applied in my life, fifth one, an employer should keep his mobile if you inside until unless you are there in the office, right? Until unless you are there in what office, your mobile should not be what ringing mode, should be silent mode. At what workplace, in the workplace, don't make your phone what to ring, okay? Just make silent, right? This is the these things will whenever the your colleague or whenever your senior will see these things, right, they will internally not, they will see in the software industry, the people will not show expression, right? They are happy with you or they are they are unhappy with you. But these things, these small things, right, inside the software industry people, right, make you respectfully person inside the software industry. So these things should be applied, guys, right? Now seventh one I'm going to tell what in if employees should not use what, if you are the employee, right? So the company is giving the some facility to you, right? Some facility to you, like if company is giving you car, if guys, this meeting is just what, this meeting is just what 10 means what 40 minute Zoom is giving. I'm using Zoom what free. So now 10 minute, after 10 minutes this meeting will end, right? Again we will connect it. Just I will take, I'm not going to take your much time, right? Just minimum 20 to 25 minutes I will end the session. But just these things will make you perfect in the IT industry. Because of that, I want to share with you people, and if you people will follow in the industry, right, within the short term only success in the software company, good position you will achieve, right? Because of that I decided to let the share with you these things with our people, okay now? So now, um, like if you need, right, vehicle, sometime company is giving what, cab and all those things. Nowadays company is giving cab, right? So cab, if you are going to using cab, right, company cab, so sometime between the if company to your room, right, if need to go somewhere, so don't say to cab person, please take this route, I have need some work between company to here, right? So don't say that. This is very bad impression, right? Guy, people also what giving the feedback, how if you guy, people will give what feedback in the company, this employee troubling me a lot in the what, in the between the route, right? So please don't do these things also. And whenever you are there, the company, right, don't use personal for the personal work, the company Xerox machine and what printers. These things is a small things. And whenever you will be there on your desk, right, one telephone will be there. That telephone also don't use for personally, use your own phone. And other stationery mart like printer paper and all those things, don't use company things for the personal use, right? These things is 1 2 time you will, if you use, right, anybody will observe you na, negativity will start, right? For about you negativity will start. So these things, whatever company thinks is there, use for the company purpose only. Company is giving the salary, right? So these things, if you just what, uh, 1000, 2000, between the 1 2000 you will complete this, your those things, right? Even you have the phone also. So don't use the company phone for to call our mom, dad, our friends, and spend the time with them, right? This is the very very bad. And we know that the no one is observing, guys, everybody is observing the things, right? So in the software industry, right, each and everybody just searching that where the problem there inside him, right? Just they will found you, then like they will start to what, they will start to giving the what feedback. So please be careful about these things, right? About what these things. So now seventh one, right? Sixth one I completed. Seventh one, what you will apply in your life, right? And employees should not take moral responsibility, right? Should not take moral responsibility his mistake and tender apologize, right? If you did mistake any, right, suddenly say sorry for that, sir, I will not repeat again, it's my mistake, okay na? Rectify the mistake rather than simply blame others, or saying let me excuses. Don't give excuses and all those things in this earth, friend. If you give the excuses, right, no one can bear you, right? So if anywhere mistake is there, just suddenly say that sorry for that, it's my mistake, and don't blame others. Don't blame others. If you started blaming others, right, you will habituate, and you will do again and again same things and a mistake, right? So please be careful, right? Because these things I did in my what 6 years of career. So because of that, and after doing these things where I get the problem, and after correcting myself, what I achieve those things, okay na? Because of that I started to explain, okay, let's give the suggestion to our what, our friends, right? Let's give the suggestion to what, our friends. So now, okay. Hmm. And one more things, 8 months. Let's tell to you people 8 months, right? During the meeting, right? If the meeting scheduled, our senior people is scheduled a meeting, or if you people just Kancha Narsimha, what is your problem? Yeah, during the training, right? Training or meeting session, agar the meeting session is there, or training, you just means training means kt na, kt, whenever you will enter the company, right? Whenever you will deploy in the project, they will give you what, kt means knowledge transformation. Knowledge transformation, right? So at the time, what you will do, you know what you will do? If anybody you, 1 minute. I will remove him. Kancha, someone is there, right? Let them to remove him because he's doing some
Hello?
nonsense.
Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Yes, yes, it's by mistake it's happened. Actually, I'm somewhere. Maybe my fingers unnecessarily it will be touched. I don't
Yeah.
know what happened.
Okay, okay,
Hello?
okay, okay. Yeah, okay, okay, Narasimha. Okay, no problem. Okay, continue, continue. Actually, the meeting will start within. We stop what, 4 minutes, right? Within the 4 minute, the meeting will stop it. So again, you have to connect it. Four lines still is there about my life. What you have to not, what you people will not do, right? So we will see that, and you people should apply, guys, right? Should apply. Then see the wonder, right? Then see the wonder in what will happen in your life, right? So so now, okay. So now, during the training or meeting, if it's the scheduled, guys, right? Invitation will give what? Invitation you will get, right? Invitation you will, should be punctual. Listen to the what, and whenever you are there in what? Whenever you are there in the meeting, right? Whenever you are there in the meeting, listen to the proceeding quietly. Whatever things they are explaining, just quietly listen it. Should not interrupt while others speak and leave the meeting, right? At the time, if you speak now, that is the very bad things, right? So don't interrupt the in who is explaining the things. Just listen, what listen clearly, quietly, right? And analyze that until unless, yeah, until unless who is the chairperson of the meeting, right? Not stop the meeting. And even until unless your chairperson is not leaving what chair, you people also don't leave, right? Don't leave the chair. Because of that, if you interrupt the meeting, right? This is the very bad habit, guys. This is the very 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 bad habit, okay na? So please don't do these things, okay? So because I seen these things I not completed, but my colleagues did in, right? And after doing these things, what the our senior is, like torturing like anything. So please don't do these things. If you get the job, okay now, if you get the job, and whoever doing the job also, right? Because sometime, if the two good companies there, these things, this opportunity you people will not get also, right? This opportunity, to getting this kind of opportunity, you have to spend so much time in that company. Then when you will become senior, then you people will get what? Then you people will get what? This kind of opportunity, right? So because of that, the just 1 minute meeting is there, guys. Don't three more what, quotes is there. After then, right? After then, we will stop the meeting, right? We will stop the meeting. I will not take today much time, okay? So these things you people must apply in your life. And when you will get the job, and whoever doing the job, these things must be applied. See, within the 1 year and a 2 year, within the 1 or 2 year, see, in your position, right? In the company your position is too good, right? Too good, not good. And as well as, respect also there in what? Society also, in the company also, guys. Earning money is not matter, right? Everybody can earn the money, but respect also matter.